Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Danny, the wicked awesome gardener, and today I'm on the road having an adventure, and I am in the garden of Garden to Table with Heather Lynne. Woohoo! So Heather has strawberry plants who have put runners out everywhere, and when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. We'll take you and show you all the strawberries a little bit later, but right now she's got a problem with her lettuce bed. The strawberry runners have gotten in there. It's a big grow bag, so she's got to move it to a better position. She needs to actually be able to put lettuce in it. So we're going to transplant out these strawberries, and I'm going to get to take them to my green stalk. Yay! Yay! Say hi, everybody. Hello. All right, so they're not too bad here. And you've got like some rooted runners.
Yes. Well, this is also mint.
Oh, mint. Oh, that's right. There was mint in this bed too.
Because there's spearmint over here, and I noticed at the end of the summer it went over.
Sometimes there's something satisfying about ripping out roots. Oh, yep. And here's how your strawberry runners got from there to here. You even got a dandelion in between the bed.
Yep. I think, but I'm not sure, but I think there might be a
Oh.
over here, because there's a hole right there.
They're like all sorts of free strawberries to eat.
Which I saw our rabbit yesterday. He was eating some lemon balm in the bushes.
All right.
And
so
then just stayed there while we watched.
Can I borrow your trowel? Okay. When transplanting strawberries, you want to get a good root ball. I don't want to take your, your too much of your potting soil, so I'm going to shake off the roots. But I just want to get the plant from where it is.
That's what we were doing.
Because for strawberries, you want to get like trying to break these runners.
No, it was like
got them there.
that Saturday that it came. I was trying to do other stuff, and then it came. My husband was like, and then it was like squirrel.
My whole life is squirrel. I swear. Okay, so we'll dig out about 7 inches around a strawberry. And I am definitely pulling some big roots from underneath. But
Yes,
then,
this is just been here like this.
yeah. So I'm going to just try to shake off as much of your soil as I
And we
can.
can trim some of that dead stuff.
There we go. So now we've got a nice healthy root system, and we didn't really have to damage them too much. That is a big root system. Strawberry's been here a couple of, I think it might even be 2 plants, but we'll put that all in one green stalk pocket. Wet those down a bit. There we go.
So that was why I said like, you can take this money for that.
Yeah, I think there's plenty, huh?
Yes.
That's a smaller plant. Oh, yeah, let's go deep.
I freeze them properly if I have enough freezer space.
Right. I'm thinking this year I may get a dehydrator because the dehydrated strawberries will take up less space. Not that I'm expecting a very large amount of strawberries this year because most of my plants are going to be bare root.
But it was a good thing we had all of our strawberry plants last year because the CSH there didn't have you pick strawberries last year.
Oh yeah, because of the deer?
Yeah.
So now what are all these that are?
This was this is spearmint.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh,
And
so
then
you
I
cut
had-
it back.
Then I had a couple other mints, and I think my mint actually my mint here.
Oh no.
So I don't know if
maybe I do want to cut off some of the extra. You were right. Do you want to get some footage of this too? Just like kind of film all this good stuff. Woo. All right, let's shake off some of that from the root ball. Strawberry roots are tough. You don't have to worry about them too much. And these will survive a couple of days in my tub full of soil over here where I'm popping them in until I can get them into my green stock. All right, you're gonna have an empty lettuce bed.
I'm looking forward to it so that I can plant my lettuce. Which I am looking forward to eating.
Right? Time for salads from the garden.
Instead of buying
Oh, that's what I'm trying to dig into. I can't break that. That's part of the bag.
And I no longer have to buy lettuce from the grocery store.
Here we go. I'll pop that in a minute since I'm already over here.
I've been resisting the urge to buy a lettuce start when I've been at the hardware store.
Oh God, no, I was at Walmart yesterday for soil so that I can do my asparagus container planting. And hey, I got a 2 for 1. 2 little babies. Yeah, and there were so many plants, and I thought I would get out unscathed. No, I brought plants.
Although I suppose a lettuce start would be more value than a head of lettuce.
It's true.
Because after it grows back, you cut more lettuce stems. We get lettuce in the CSA share, but I usually just leave it because it's easier for me to keep it in the dirt.
All right, now here's going to be the interesting one. This isn't really grown into anything. It's just sitting here against the fence. The easiest 2 strawberry plants. Well, you know me, I'm always going to quote Jess from Roots and Refuge. Her thing is, put a chair in your garden. Make it a lovely space where you're going to go out and enjoy just sitting and being in your garden.
Yes, someday when I have my real garden, I want to have a shaded spot to sit.
All right, guys, so Heather Lynne says she doesn't have a real garden. This is what she calls not a real garden. Look at that. That's a garden.
Well, it's mostly a container garden.
It's a garden is a garden is a garden. Look at, she's got peas, the bamboo poles, all sorts of strawberries all along these window boxes. And then what goes in these back here?
Or tomatoes.
Tomatoes will go in those. That's good. You kind of got the fence there for support.
Yep, that's why my husband designed it that way.
Yeah.
Our market more cucumbers will go in these
All right, cucumbers in here. You're probably going to do some peppers.
Yeah.
And guess what? There's more strawberries. In these grow bags for a couple of years, and they definitely enjoyed their time there because they spread. She's even growing blueberries. Look at that. Look at all those buds. There are going to be tons of blueberries here this year.
And hopefully it won't be pouring rain when I pick them so that I can pick them instead of the birds.
This is true. I didn't get any of mine last year. And look at that beautiful green stalk. All filled with strawberry plants. These are mature strawberries that were transplanted out. And then we got more strawberries over there. And she says she's not a gardener and she's got a 3-chamber compost system. And it was free. Pallets. I am jealous. I have no compost. Well, I have a compost tumbler, but it really doesn't. I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah, I haven't.
And the front is our old compost bin.
It's good. That's so cool.
You can
I've
tell
wanted one
where
of these.
it was last year.
Oh, so the compost bin was all where the strawberries are now?
Yeah,
The compost
it was
pile?
kinda like the square of that.
Cool. Oh, yeah. You can tell when you zoom back out that there was like a...
Yeah, you can tell where we worked on soil and compost because the dirt looks better than the rest of the yard.
It's going to grow some nice grass eventually. But yeah, look at that. Finished compost, half finished compost, will be compost. Like, that's awesome.
And our upstairs neighbor is even added to it.
Oh, nice. Trying to put you in the shot, girl.
Okay. Yes, when she came, she's like, do you mind if I put my kitchen scraps in your compost?
And you're like, no, please, go right ahead. And now she's going to have some onions because I brought my onions.
Yay. It was successful this year in growing onions.
Now that it's cloudy, you can let them stay out here for a little bit, and before you take them in, you're like, I don't have to tell you this, you know how to harden off plants. But all right, guys, thank you for touring the garden with us and coming along while we transplanted those strawberries. I'm going to get them in my green stock this weekend. I'll show you all about that. Heather, thank you for strawberries.
You're welcome.
All right, do you want to say bye to the people?
Bye.
Bye. Oh, wait, ready? Bye-bye.